Oh, you'll love that. Slam it.
Oh, you didn't like that, did you, buddy?
I know, Matthew. I hate it when that happens to me.
What kind of conniption fit is that? Just because it didn't open for you. You just tried the wrong ones. There's a whole bunch of them that will open.
Daddy.
Play the drums.
Bye.
Play the drums.
Good job. Yay.
Nice hair, buddy.
What are you looking at, Matthew? Oh, stop.